What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to be trying to fix the manual locking hub on my 2014 F250 Super Duty. So I already have the tire off because I was doing ABS sensor in another video, if you guys want to check that out. But basically, you can do it with the tire on. I know I have my tire off, but as long as you have the factory rims, I know for sure that you can do it with the tire on. All there is these 3 Torx bolts, and it should come out of here. We're just going to see how hard it is to take out. But as you can see, it does not move. The other side does work. So what I'm thinking is maybe it's just corroded, but we're going to find out if that's actually the problem. It's a T27 Torx bit. Okay, first bolt, it's not looking too bad. Second bolt, it's good. Same with the third one. Wow, that was actually surprisingly easy. And here it is. I'm really surprised on how easy that came out of there. So these gears here are actually good. Everything's working correctly. So that means we get to take off this face cover, and the problem is actually the corroded knob thing. It's the next day. So basically what happened is my other one is broken. I'll show you guys in a minute. We might not all have that problem. So I got the Amazon special. It was 50 something bucks, and works as it should. So 50 bucks, I'm like, whatever. Doesn't say Ford on or anything, but I don't really care, as long as it does the job. Next, I'm going to show you guys what was wrong with the other one and why I couldn't use it. So here's the factory one, and as you can see, it does work like it's supposed to. The only problem with it is that, I'll show you guys in a minute, when I lock it, you see how it presses up here and then it all comes apart. The reason for that is these little grooves. So as you can see, there's a gap, and then there's another groove, and there should be 3 of them. Gap, and then there's the notch, and then one more. So the problem is, this one is good. This one is over here is good, but this one is too worn out. So in this gap here, how that's supposed to sit, it doesn't grab. So with the pressure, it really pushes up on the one side and it won't work. So for that reason, I had to buy a new one. If you do not have that problem, then your hub will be working. But since I did, I had to buy this new one. So let's put a bunch of grease on it and get it installed in the truck. I didn't even dry fit this thing to make sure it works, but it should. Okay. Come on. I know they could be a little tough to get on there because I even had trouble with the factory one when I was putting it on temporarily so I could use the truck. I feel like it's going. I just don't want to break it because it is going on there. Alright, guys. Well, I did end up getting the hub in. It just took me quite a while for some reason. That's why I didn't get it all recorded for you guys. But it is in. But I can't tell you if it works or not because I was going to leave one day when it snowed, but the 4-wheel drive wasn't working. And I know that it's not the transfer case or the hubs because I got I got the drive shaft going into the front diff and then it's not coming out at the U-joints. So in the next video, we're gonna have to take apart the cover on the diff and see if I can see anything. If not, we're gonna have to start taking apart the whole truck, the whole front end here, to try and figure out what it is. And I'm not looking forward to that. So hopefully I can see something, get some parts ordered, and then it's working again. And if you guys want to see that video, make sure you subscribe down below. That way you get the notification when the video is posted. But other than that, guys, that's going to end today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.